Never dreamed that it was possible, and just take it one day at a time, one step at a time. But the support, as I always say, continues, the energy continues. And to make this a true North Bay, to start in your heart and to grow it to your family and to grow it to your school and to your community, and to think that we could grow this across the province is so wonderful, because we have the partnerships that we need to do this. We want every child in every classroom in the province of Ontario to experience an HIV/AIDS education program such as Patrick. It's a beautiful tool to make it friendly and age appropriate, talking about HIV and AIDS.
It is a lot of work, and it's not something that just happens overnight. I know that there are AIDS organizations just chomping at the bit to get into schools and to reach those kids and prevent the disease. You know, what did you do that was right that you have that happen, plus ministers come up by the numbers to check the program out?
We realize that a young parent doesn't know what to tell their child about HIV and AIDS. A young teacher doesn't know what to tell her classroom. So the money that we raise through our Run Walk for Patrick Family Fest, we give back to the school boards. And we ask the school boards to look into their resources that teach about HIV and AIDS. And we run teacher training programs with the money that we give back to the school boards. So if the teachers are becoming more comfortable, then the students are more informed. And our students deserve to be inspired, informed, and healthy with a disease that's 100% preventable.
And we look at that, and the question is, and has been, why isn't this province-wide?
Yeah, it would take so little to see the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Health Promotion to come together and make this happen in every community. And of course, Patrick for Life will help with that.
And you know, finally, you have to look at that. And as much as this is celebration, it's reflection, and you can't help but think, what would Patrick say, and how would Patrick feel today?
Well, when Patrick would play the piano, he loved big crowds. He would love to play. The more people he played for, the happier and more relaxed he was. So he would be proud to know that we're spreading this in such a happy way as well. Everyone's happy today, and the parents are happy that we've helped them on this topic of a disease that's 100% preventable.
And going into the weekend, Susan Glukark is coming to sing. That's major. I mean, and really, you had Jeffrey Buttle. You have these big names coming, so there's something about this event.
Yes, we're especially proud. Last year, our medals were fabricated by a youth group in Niwa, Cameroon. This year, we thought we'd bring it closer to Canada, and we have amazing partnership with First Nation Aboriginal. And we know that HIV and AIDS is growing on reserves. And so we have a gentle conversation and a great partnership. We have 41 communities from across, First Nation communities from across Ontario here with us this weekend as well. Health reps from those communities and youth sharing in the experience. And we've had our marathon medals made by a Gilkeys First Nation artist. And so we're bringing the issues to Canada where they actually exist, and we're doing it in a very friendly way.